When it comes to organizing ideas, research, and creative projects, two major tools stand out: Notion and Evernote. Both are designed to help you capture thoughts and structure your work, but they do it in very different ways. Notion feels like a digital studio where you can build your own system, while Evernote is a classic notebook built for simplicity and speed. For creators who juggle multiple ideas, the right one can make a huge difference in how smoothly your workflow runs. Notion is known for flexibility. It lets you create pages, databases, and templates that work together in one connected workspace. You can build anything from a simple to-do list to a complex content calendar with linked notes and embedded media. For creators, that freedom means you can store inspiration, plan projects, and manage deliverables all in one place. The drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to rearrange content, and its sharing features let you collaborate with others in real time. It does take a little setup to get used to, but once you design your workspace, it adapts perfectly to your style. Notion also offers powerful templates, integrations with tools like Google Drive and Figma, and the ability to embed videos, links, and files right inside your notes. Evernote, on the other hand, is all about quick capture and effortless organization. It focuses on helping you jot down ideas fast, clip content from the web, and organize everything into notebooks and tags. Its search function is excellent. It can even find text inside images or scanned documents. That makes it great for writers, students, or anyone gathering a lot of reference material. The web clipper is still one of its best features, perfect for saving articles or visual inspiration. The app syncs across all your devices, and everything stays consistent and easy to find. Evernote feels like a familiar workspace where you can just open it and start writing without setting anything up. In the end, the choice depends on how you like to work. Notion is ideal if you want a customizable system that can evolve with your creative process. It is great for building structured workflows, managing projects, and linking ideas in new ways. Evernote is better if you prefer something ready to go, fast, simple, and reliable for capturing thoughts without distraction. For creators who love flexibility and design, Notion is the ultimate workspace. For those who value speed and focus, Evernote remains a timeless and dependable digital notebook. Both help you think clearly and stay organized. The difference is whether you want a system you build or one that is ready from the start.